On tonight's episode, we've got some Bridge City Brawl footage.
And we start building the Element RC Enduro. Stay tuned.
Oh, stay tuned.
The Alt RC Hobbies Show airs every Friday, 7 o'clock on Facebook and YouTube. And what do we cover, Chris?
We cover running videos, we do build videos, we do customer setups, we have special guests, we cover local events.
We race all across Western Canada, and we always love to show footage from all the events that we do have and we do enter. Welcome.
Welcome.
Episode 74.
74.
Alt RC Hobby Show. He's Chris.
Aaron.
So as you've probably seen on the preview, we're going to start building the new Element RC Enduro Kit.
Yes.
So I'm pretty excited about that. We're probably going to do a 2 or 3 episode build on it.
I'm excited.
So it's going to be a cool build. I'm really excited to see the quality of how everything goes together and see what's going down with that. And what else do we got going on?
And we've got some footage from the Bridge City Brawl, which someone came home with a few plaques.
Some hardware, yeah, just some.
Some winner.
I was-
winner chicken dinner over here.
I was Mr. Bridesmaid, but hey, you can't win them all. This is what I've learned in
You
my
got
racing
one
career.
first place over there, Mr.
Yeah.
Guy.
I TQ'd in one e-truggy, and
Yeah.
then I finished second in four-wheel drive buggy. This is a kind of a tip for doing things like, for example, maintenance.
Yes.
Have you ever had the front of your end bell of your motor fall off?
Yes.
I did too. First time ever.
That's weird.
Yeah. It's
How
on
do
the
those screws
Tekin.
come loose?
On the Tekin, they're this long, like 3 threads. And yeah, it fell off.
As soon as they back out with a little bit of torque, it just wiggles.
Yeah.
And it's gone. Yeah.
Yeah. So I was leading the last race with like 3 minutes left, and it fell off. So it was like, shoot, thank you. So yeah, that was sweet. So I finished second. Big deal. And then Nitro Buggy, I had 2 flame outs and finished second.
Yeah.
So.
Motor issues.
Hey, it turns out engines don't like to run upside down. Who would have thunk it?
Like,
Yeah.
come on.
So I shouldn't have crashed. But hey, you win some, you lose some, and then you just wreck some. But ended up finishing second in that. So it was good.
Fun.
I did have a lot.
That's what counts, right?
Yeah, so I want to thank all of the people from SKOFFROAD, all the club members, all the executive for doing a heck of a job to get that track ready. Saturday, it rained. They got peat moss
We got
down.
a lot of rain.
They got rained on Friday, and they did a heck of a job pumping all the water off, putting peat moss down so we could run this year's Alt RC Hobbies Bridge City Brawl number 4. So thank you, everyone, for doing that. It was an awesome weekend. But yeah, let's get in footage. Let's show the Enduro Kit build. Right meow. Ha!
We've got the chassis all built, all together here. I do have a few downsides with this build so far. So, did you see?
Not to be that guy.
So, we got the frame all built together here. Whole chassis assembly with the 2 servo mounts, the shock hoops and everything. I do have a few downsides with the kit build so far. So, if you see here, we've got these part numbers on here. Now, if we go over to the part number, now that was an 8,000 number. All these are all 4,000 numbers. So none of these, as far as I can see, none of these numbers pertain anything to any of these parts trees that go onto this thing. So those seem all useless. Another thing I found is, you see here, they give you the size for these guys, but then here, they just go, oh, well, you know what's going on over here, you can figure that out. It's just little things like that where it's like, why couldn't you tell people that those are 3x12s? Little things like that. So it's a little bit confusing. You really just have to go by how the parts look, it seems, which is pretty easy to do. So now it looks like we're moving on to the battery trays and then the transmission. Ooh, that's my favorite part, fellas. I hope you're excited. Oh, let's get it done. the transmission, just getting ready to put it together, or bolt it together. So here's how our overdrive and underdrive work. So they run on the same input shaft, one gear, and then it goes to 2 different gears on the idler. Pull this out here, right there. And then this is the cool one right here. So this is your output, and they spin individually. There's actually a bearing and some sleeves in there, and it goes in there. So that's how you get your overdrive underdrive, and that's how it works. So there we go. We got the whole chassis and transmission all built, ready to go. Next up will be the axles and links, and that will be next week.
So we did a little bit of a vlog style
Yep.
for the Bridge City Brawl. So here's the vlog of the footage from that. Send it, roll it.
Send it. Put it up there,
Yeah.
Chucky boy. Just
Chuck,
put
roll
up
it.
there.
Roll the film.
Roll the film there.
Roll the film.
Oh, put it up.
Yeah, put her up. Let's go.
Okay, so Sunday morning, 7:40 on the old clock in the Dodge. Yeah, yesterday was kind of a wash, rained out. They practiced for a bit, then we got more rain. So they peat mossed, and all the guys at the club did an awesome job. So thank you everybody that went out to the track to help put peat moss down. We went to the store, and it was a good day yesterday at the shop. So it worked out pretty darn good. Hicks here, already eating spits. But it's coffee time. It's too early for us. We're not morning people by any means. So 7:40 is a little bit early, like a solid 2 hours too early. Well, an hour, but still. Okay, we're gonna head to the track, so we'll meet you guys out there. Okay, it's race day. So we're in the trailer. Got everything pretty much set up. Cars, more cars. Pit area, parts for sale, more cars, Hicks and Cindy. More cars. So it's a go today. Track's pretty good. A little bit wet in some spots too, a little mushy, but I think that's what we expect when it's, you know, rained for the last week and a half. So heat sheets are up. We're getting ready for round 1 of qualifying and heats, and then we're just gonna go send it right to the moon. So a whole bunch of prizes and a whole bunch of extra stuff that we got going on. So you probably tell everybody's gonna go gather for the drivers meeting. So that's where we're headed right now.
Nice jump over the tabletop. Here they come to him, nose to tail over the back straight. He gets caught over the double. Let's jump off to the side. We'll see if we're going to catch it up. Close some ground. Gets a little curly over the double also. Second silver car makes the double, pulls off the pass. There he comes, slows it down, coming in there, first lane corner. There we are, they're all nose to tail again. Look at that. He left a little less pattern down the straightaway there. Nice over the double. Safe over the double. Keeps it clean down the back straight. Fix the tumble, keep on going. We have a new second place. Gets caught up on the barrier. Hey, you're not going to take the corner there.
So we just want to congratulate all the winners
Yes.
from the Bridge City Brawl. So here's some podium pictures from the Bridge City Brawl. So congratulations to everyone that won, and hope to see you guys all next year.
Because maybe I'm gonna race.
Nah, he is gonna race.
Maybe.
Let's keep it
e-truggy.
You think?
Yeah, I'll sell you my e-truggy.
You think that's
Dude, it has
blasphemy?
just $250 in ceramic
How much
bags.
horsepower does it have?
7.
Oh man, that's so horsepower, got turbo in there.
It's got Turbinsky.
Oh, turbo is too holy
Yeah.
lick.
Okay,
Okay, I'll take it.
that is the end. Episode
Yeah.
70, number 4.
70 number 4.
70, number 4, Ultra RC Hobbies Show. So we thank you guys for watching.
Yes.
But first off, before we forget, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell on YouTube because, I mean, you always want to see notifications when I post videos. Don't forget to share with all your friends on Facebook.
Yeah.
And don't forget to follow him on Snapchat,
Yeah.
Facebook,
Yeah.
and YouTube.
Yeah.
Oh, I screwed up again.
Yeah, you did.
Dang!
YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram.
Oh.
DJ Diebert. I mean, RC Diebs.
RC Diebs.
DJ Diebert on Snapchat.
DJ D.
And we also have a race coming up between me and Aaron. So
Yeah.
I don't know. What
So-
should we race on?
We have one vote.
Only one.
One vote for
What is it
sand,
for? Sand?
one vote for dirt.
Ooh.
So we're tied. Nobody seems to watch the end of this. Maybe we should throw this at the beginning.
Yeah. Next time we'll throw it at the beginning.
Yeah. Don't forget to check out our website, www.ultrarchobbies.com. Don't forget to follow us on Snapchat, Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram.
Yes.
Ultra RC Hobbies. And yeah, thank you for watching. We really do appreciate it. And we'll catch you on the next one.
Bye.
You just got UDR'd. Now what? My workout for getting shape for the summer boys.
Give it a jump, boy.